Hello everyone, welcome to Trending Transition. In today's video we're gonna learn HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP is just opposite of VLOOKUP, which we have learned in last video. So let's begin with HLOOKUP. So now you can see here there are two tables, table 1 and table 2. From table 1 we will retrieve the record to table 2. So now we will write HLOOKUP here. A small bracket will start. Now the lookup value would be employee ID. So we'll select the employee ID and separate it by comma. Now we will select this entire table. Now we have to freeze this selection so that this table remain the same while we applying the formula in other column. It will not change. This value will be like A26 to G26. It will remain the same. When we apply, we will copy this formula to another cell. It will not change. For that we have to press F4 so that we will freeze the selection separated by comma. Now we need the second value. We will press second value separated by comma. Now we need exact match. We will select false and we will close this bracket and press enter. Now what we will do, we will drag this cell till here, so we will get the employee ID 5162, 5170, 5181. Their gender, they are all male. Now we need date of birth. So again we will write same formula HLOOKUP and again lookup value the employee code. Now we'll select this table. Again we have to freeze this selection by pressing F4. It will be freeze. Now separated by comma. Now we need the third value. What is third value? From horizontally you can see that this is third value is date of birth. So now we will put it, we will write it here 3 separated by comma. We will write 0. We need exact match. Again we will write false. So now we get the date of birth also. We will drag this cell till here. So now we have the date of birth also. As you can see that HLOOKUP we are getting the value horizontally, whereas VLOOKUP we were getting the value vertically. Please subscribe, like and share this video so that others can get benefited. Thank you so much.